A drone flying overhead might seem harmless, but it could be hiding a dangerous truth. That breathtaking aerial view may conceal critical risks in environmental monitoring that you can't afford to ignore. Imagine a vibrant forest captured from the sky. Beneath its beauty, a threat lurks. Many trust these images blindly, unaware of the urgent warnings that demand attention. Consider a community relying on drone data for water quality checks. They see clear blue lakes and feel reassured. This is a hypothetical scenario. It happens more often than you think. Drones can provide sweeping views, yet their sensors often overlook vital details, leading to decisions that could devastate entire ecosystems. Now, think about the potential fallout. A company might assume it's safe to build on a site cleared by drone mapping, unaware of hazardous materials buried just beneath. This is a disaster waiting to happen, with warning signs obscured by the allure of drone footage. Additionally, some drones aren't even equipped. So, how do we confront this? The solution isn't to trust technology blindly. It's about integrating drone data with ground inspections, expert evaluations, and community feedback to uncover hidden risks. As you reflect on this, consider how much you truly trust the data from above. The next time you see a drone, look beyond the stunning visuals. What might it be concealing? Your awareness could be the key to safeguarding our environment. What if I told you that the very technology designed to protect our environment might be concealing something risky? You've probably seen drone mapping mentioned everywhere, right? It seems like a game changer for environmental monitoring. But what if it's not as reliable as we think? Imagine standing in a lush field with drone footage capturing every detail above. However, beneath that surface, vital data is slipping through the cracks. Many people don't realize that depending solely on these high-flying devices can lead us down a dangerous path. Now, picture a small village that heavily relies on aerial surveys for agriculture, trusting drones to provide accurate crop health information. What they don't know is that the algorithms can misinterpret shadows, resulting in misleading reports. Suddenly, their livelihoods are at risk due to this hidden flaw. Drones can't always capture the complete picture. They might miss crucial ground-level details like soil erosion or unexpected plant diseases. If these signals go unnoticed, a thriving farm could quickly become a barren wasteland. The stakes are higher than we often realize. Let's dig a bit deeper. Scientists are increasingly concerned about data integrity. Many use aerial images without cross-referencing with ground truth, placing more trust in the drone's perspective than their own. But what if those perspectives are misleading? A miscalculation or an outdated model could lead to serious consequences. Consider a coastal community that depends on drone mapping to monitor rising sea levels. The images may depict a calm scene, but beneath the surface, coastal erosion is occurring at an alarming ratio that drones simply can't detect. Residents are caught off guard, unaware of the looming threat. So what can we do? It's time to demand more from this technology. We need to combine ground-level insights with aerial data. The solution isn't to abandon drones, it's to enhance their capabilities. Community involvement and expert analysis can help bridge this dangerous gap. As we wrap up, think about your own reliance on technology. Are you seeing the full picture or just a glimpse? The hidden dangers of drone mapping remind us to look closer and question more. The next time you hear about a drone monitoring something critical, ask yourself, what might they be missing? Imagine a world where you think you have all the answers, but one tiny detail could change everything. That's the hidden risk of relying on drone mapping for accurate environmental monitoring. You might be captivated by stunning aerial views, but there's a problem lurking beneath the surface that often goes unnoticed. What if those breathtaking images don't tell the whole story? Consider a farmer surveying his fields from the sky. Drones promise precision, but beneath those sweeping vistas, significant data collection errors could exist. What if those small inaccuracies led to costly decisions? Now, picture a conservationist using drone data to track endangered species. Sounds efficient, right? However, unforeseen mapping risks could misguide their efforts, potentially jeopardizing the very species they aim to protect. It's easy to trust technology at face value, but have you ever thought about the cracks hidden beneath the surface? Those glossy images might conceal critical inconsistencies. Here's where it gets serious. A company might deploy drones to monitor deforestation, capturing vast areas of land. But what if the software misinterprets the data? A small glitch could lead to false reports, resulting in misguided policies that affect entire ecosystems. The stakes are high. Imagine standing in a forest, knowing you relied on flawed data to advocate for its preservation. The very trees around you could be at risk because of an overlooked error. As drone technology evolves, so do the risks. The issue isn't just with the technology itself, but also in how we interpret its output. Are we ready to question what we see? But don't lose hope just yet. There are ways to mitigate these risks. By combining drone data with ground truthing, let's break the cycle of blind trust. The next time you see drone footage, remember what you see may not be the complete picture.